Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Chap Chay or mixed vegetable stew with pork spare rib. Let's see what ingredient we have here. Okay, let's start from the first thing is the pork spare rib, and this is all vegetable we have. So cabbage, daikon radish, Chinese sorrel, bok choy, and cilantro, vegetable bouillon, palm sugar, seasoning soy sauce, mushroom soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, whole black peppers, and the mushroom. So you soak it in the water for like 10-15 minutes. And also if you want to do Chap Chay vegetarian, you can also do it with tofu. So just forget about the pork spare rib. Okay, let's start here. So add the water half of the pot and then add the vegetable bouillon in there and add the seasoning soy sauce about like 3 tablespoons and mushroom soy sauce about 3 tablespoons. And then next I'm going to add pork spare rib in there. So I use 4 pounds of pork spare rib. So yes, I didn't defrost it because put in a hot water is gonna melt anyway. And then you leave it in there for like an hour. So I want the meat to be really tender, really soft. So while we're waiting for the meat to be cooked, so we're gonna cut the vegetable. While the soup is boiling, you will see this bubble come up. So it's a fat. Keep scoop it out. So now we're going to prepare the paste that we're going to saute with the meat. We're going to smash everything together, or you can also use the food processor. After an hour, so you can see the meat is look really tender, and now I'm going to take it out from the pot, and then we're going to saute all the meat in the pan with the paste that I smashed it earlier. So let's do it. So here with the big pan, so I'm going to add oil in there and then wait until it's heat up. After a couple minutes, seems like the pan is heat up. So now we're going to saute the paste that we smashed earlier. Put the paste in there and then we're going to saute it for like a couple minutes to bring up the smell. Seems like it's ready, smells really good, and now I'm going to add the pork spare rib in there. after we sauteed the meat with the paste for like 5 minutes, so we're gonna add some sauces in there. So here's the oyster sauce. I put like about 2 tablespoons in there. And then about 1 tablespoon of seasoning soy sauce. And another tablespoon of mushroom soy sauce. And saute that for like another 5 minutes. And then we're gonna put it back in the pot. So the reason that I take out the pork from the pot and saute it in the pan is because I want the meat to absorb with the paste and herb and also the sauces. This way it makes it taste really good. And now I'm going to add all the veggie that we cut earlier in there. So I cut everything about 1 inch. So except the mushroom, I put the whole thing in there, or you can also cut it half if you want it smaller. So now look like the meat is ready. So I'm gonna put all the meat back in the pot and leave it about like 20 minutes.